now going to touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Oh my word, what are you doing, Lily? What have you done to my workshop?
I'm decorating for Christmas. What are you wearing?
Oh, shit this! Nothing. No, nothing at all. Just completely ignore the fact that I've suddenly grown a really long white beard.
Is that what happens when you have two girls in your life?
It is, yes. There's real grey hairs under there, honestly. Zoom. Right, get yourself down here. Come down here and bring that tinsel with you, for God's sake. I'm not having tinsel with my work. That's just terrible.
I like it.
Bloody hell. Honestly, oh, for crying out loud. Really? Honestly, I bet you don't dress the Christmas tree at home, do you?
No.
Man. You finished?
So pretty.
Seriously?
Your lips look like they have frostbite.
That's terrible. Hey, Teng are going to be really upset they can't see the logo. I'll have to stand like this, look. There we are, you can see the Teng logo. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now, I just wanted to, because now you're in the workshop, and like you say, Christmas isn't too far away. I just wanted to give you your Christmas present.
What?
I thought I'll give you.
Spoiled.
I'll give you my Christmas present to you first. We'll do that one first, okay? Now, as you can see, any real bloke, I've spent a long time wrapping this for you. So there you go. These are for
Thank you so much.
And you need to open them to the camera. People want to know what they are. I have no idea. Well, I don't know exactly what they are. I spent a long time choosing these gentlemen. Because I wanted Lily to have something that she could...
Oh, they're so cool.
What are they? Show me.
They're the Freddie... Is it where?
Oh, my word.
They're leather ones, too.
They are cool.
Thank you. I love them.
Right, well, we're going to get you in those on the next video.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
It's got to happen, hasn't it, gentlemen? Now...
Thank you so much.
That's okay. Now, I'm looking at your Tool Girl outfit.
Yes.
And it's even though you've got the beautiful hat... And show the people. You'll duck down. Look at that. Very cool. Okay. You need to be more Christmassy than what you are, because this is Christmas. Now, I know you've titivated the workshop and you've done a great job. But I've got something else for you, so you can put those to one side for now. We're going to see those in the next video.
They're so cool.
They are cool. I'm told that they make your butt look really, really good. Not that it... I can see, you can't see this.
Yeah,
but it looks pretty good to me as it is. Okay, now... I had exactly 47 minutes yesterday to do some shopping to get you this outfit. And I went to Peaches and Cream first, because in Auckland, up near Mount Smart Stadium before I went to the Supercross. It was very good. And I went in, I thought, well, they're bound to have a sexy Santa, Mrs. Santa outfit,
yes.
You know. No.
Nothing.
Oh man, I was really. I thought I'm gonna have to just be really careful what I buy, because it is YouTube after all. And they had nothing, so I went to Look Smart just around the corner, and I sort of came up with my own outfit for you.
Okay, cool.
So and this is the top half. And this is the bottom half. Now obviously you better keep your Tool Girl shorts on, because it's pretty see-through.
It's quite...
All right, so that's your bottom half. So what I need is
colour cut.
So I'm gonna have to cut away for a minute. Lily's going to go and put this gear on for us and come and show us just how gorgeous my Christmas assistant looks. All right, Lily, go and do your stuff. You're going to have to go to that side of the workshop, I think. I don't think you can do that bit on camera, unfortunately.
Well, I could, but I won't.
Yeah, YouTube would block my channel, unfortunately. And obviously, gentlemen, if you catch me looking across to this side of the workshop at any time, please shout and call me back, because Lily will get most upset if I get an eyeful, I tell you that. Now, I just want to take this moment in time to thank all the viewers for everything that you've done for me over this last year. I fully appreciate that I haven't put that many videos out, but you've stood by me. We've still seen a huge increase in the number of subscribers on the channel. We've just hit 44,000 subscribers, so that's you, that's not me. So if that is you, thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, now is a really good time to do so. I would love to hit the 50,000 mark by the end of the year. It most likely isn't going to happen. It's probably going to be more like 45, 46,000 if we're lucky. But you can make it happen. You can always share things on your social media and get your mates to also subscribe, because believe it or not, there's still a lot of people are out there in the world that haven't yet seen any Andy Mechanic YouTube videos, and they're missing out. There's something for everybody. There's obviously the Tool Girls, there's the technical diagnostics that I've done in the past, and obviously we're doing in the future, and just basic general workshop stuff. So, you know, feel free, subscribe, get your mates to subscribe, and get on board the Andy Mechanic train of fun, basically. That was sounding terrible, isn't it? Okay, Lily, how we're looking?
Am I over
Oh
or
my
under dress?
God, you want to see this? Holy shit. Let's get rid of those steps. Holy moly, show the people.
Hello.
Look at that. Oh, jeez. You put those up.
So festive. I'm going
That
to use this
is-
for Christmas.
You are, aren't you? You're going to
I
scare
am.
the crap out of your colleagues. Very nice.
Very
I
cute.
do like that. Yes,
You've
good
got
job.
baubles.
You've got some baubles.
Got some
Oh,
baubles.
oh my, you're like a Christmas tree. Good
Very
job.
colourful one.
So,
Good
it's
choice on the colour selection.
Yes, so-
Matchy, yeah.
Merry Christmas,
Thank you.
everybody, for everything you've done for the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Be it you're a patron, if you've sent donations through in the past, even if you stop being a patron now, it doesn't matter. We really still appreciate everything you've done for us. If you want to donate, you can do that through Patreon, or obviously there's a PayPal icon now on the homepage of Andy Mechanic. So
Yes.
you look tall all of a sudden. It's weird, isn't it? You suddenly turn into a Christmas tree and you're
You're
taller.
like-
It must be the hat. I
Maybe
reckon
it's the hat,
Yeah, it looks
yes.
very cool. Well, anything you'd like to say to the viewers, Lily? Because you've been away for a long time.
It's
and
nice to be back. Thank
Yeah,
you for
'cause-
spoiling me.
one of the last videos we did was the Christmas video for last year. And here you
Yes.
are again now,
So long ago.
back on site in
I'll
the
have to
workshop.
go away for longer and then come back and get more.
Yeah. Now,
Nothing.
I do have one more present for you.
What?
Oh, actually, before we do
I need
that-
to go away more
Before
often.
we do that, before I do the finale, where's my present?
Would you like to share a Coke with Brent with me?
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Right, moving on. Let's go and look
Next
at
time. It's not Christmas yet.
better than you owe
You
me.
were early.
You owe me a pint.
You were early.
How's that? I was. I caught you off
I'll
the
get
hop
you
there,
some
didn't I?
ciders.
Oh
Your
yes.
favourite.
Cider is the best way to my heart. I'll tell you that. Okay, let's head over to the final present for Tool Girl Lilli. Are you ready?
Yes.
You excited?
I'm really excited.
Because it's
I'm
quite a
like,
big
what is
present.
It? What is
I
it?
don't buy these kind of presents for everybody, you know.
What? Lucky
Okay,
me.
let's
All
go
right,
have a look.
Go.
Right, Lily, if you come across, put your hands over your eyes. All right, I'm going to guide you across. Hang on.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to go out of shot, obviously, because I can't do the cat. Oh my word! Right, come this way.
Just takes me back
Yeah,
into
bit
the
of a
dungeon.
step, bit of a step going up. There you go. Right, it's going around that way. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Right, Lily, you can
Yes.
open your eyes. I got your bike.
No
I
way!
did. I got your bike. It's a Suzuki.
Why?
Well, because you like to. I've seen you ride the ATC, and I want to get you on
it.
2 wheels. So it's a Suzuki
What?
DR200 Sport.
What?
It's like a little trail bike. It's actually been used as
Thank
been
you.
used as a farm bike.
Awesome. Wow, that's awesome. Perfect for my horses.
Yes. Yeah, because you've got some paddocks. You can go ride around to your heart's content. So
That's awesome.
the only downside
Wow.
is it's not perfect. It has been used.
Yes.
And it has, we think, some problems. All right? So, one of the videos we're doing today
Yeah.
is going to be you and me, hopefully,
Yeah.
trying to get this thing running
Right.
and find out what work
cool.
needs to be done.
Yeah.
And then, hopefully, you'll do some of the work, but probably most likely I'll do all
Yeah.
the work because
You'll do all the
you're
work.
miles away. I'll get it all prepped up for you.
Oh,
And then we'll get it
cool.
delivered to
Holy
site
shit.
for Christmas for you. How's
Okay,
that? Which is
thank
in about
you.
5 or 6 weeks' time.
Oh, you're
Jeez.
amazing.
Hey, no
What?
worries.
Way too bloody spoiled. Thank you so
Well,
much.
somebody's got to look after
Oh,
them, you know? I mean,
yeah.
come on. There you go.
Somebody's got to do the
I can
job.
just see you blasting around the paddock on that, you know? Being an idiot.
Don't even walk
rider.
straight anymore. Just use the.
You're just
paddock
using
to blast
it. An
around.
excuse to go to. I was going to the horses.
Oh,
Off we go again.
So cool.
And tell me, you were telling me years ago that you used to lead the horses on an ag.
Yeah, I was a horse riding instructor, so I used to have a quad.
All right.
Wheeler,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I used to tie the horses on their lead ropes to the back.
On
We'd
the rack?
They just trot back. Yeah, with me.
So lazy.
After
It's
race.
unbelievable.
Love it.
Good job.
Thank
It has
you.
got a few cobwebs and bits and pieces. So
It's so cool.
we need to get it sorted out.
Awesome.
Right, back to the bench, Lilli.
Ah, cool. Thank you.
Ah, so there you go. Pretty cool, eh?
Yes.
You've been very lucky, I think, this Christmas.
Thank you
and
so
and
much.
my biggest
Super
problem.
spoiled.
Yeah, well, that's going to be a problem because the other Tool girls are going to give me so much shit now that you've been spoiled like this. You've got a new outfit.
I'll be writing this in the
You will. It's Christmas Day. You'll be like
hey,
on the
Merry
vodka,
Christmas.
riding the bike, in your outfit. Hey, Tool Girl Lilli.
So good.
And you've
I
got your
love it.
trousers as well, your new
Oh,
jeans.
yes.
So good job there.
Thank you so much. So spoiled. My
Honestly.
partner better remember this.
Don't listen to her. There really isn't a partner. Honestly, Lilli is available. So do send the comments through. All right, she's a great girl. It's way too lively for me to go there. Believe me. But you seriously,
If you can keep up.
if you can keep up, especially on the bike, she could be yours. Anyway, crew, that really isn't enough of that. I'm going to get so much trouble later on. Especially by the wife. If you enjoyed the video, and Merry Christmas, by the way.
Merry Christmas, guys.
If you enjoyed the video, why not click somewhere up there, look, the subscribe button, or ring the bell, and our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. And there's going to be a lot more coming soon. Apologies for in the past. There haven't been that many this year. You'll also find me on
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Good job. Straight. That's
Twitter.
third time lucky, eh? Good job. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals. You'll also find a, what is it?
Patreon.
That's right, we've got a Patreon channel as well. So, Patreon page, you can go onto there, read all about the Tool Girls, the history of each one, how they came to be on the channel, a bit of background information on them, and lots of pictures to download. They're all free. You don't even have to be a patron to get those. That's just from us to you, so you can make up your own screensavers and bits and pieces. Now, if you want to donate, you can also do that through the Patreon page, but there's also now a new PayPal icon on the Andy Mechanic YouTube homepage. You can click on that and do an instant donation, one-off if you like. Any of you that do send that through, what's so funny?
Your lips.
What's wrong with my lips? Look, I didn't design that. It took me ages to grow this, okay? About 5 minutes to grow this beard. Respect the beard, girl. Okay, so you can do a donation through that as well. And anything you send through, you obviously don't have to, but it really helps if you do. And there's over 550 videos on the channel now covering all sorts of vehicular repairs, motorcycles, ATVs, cars, boat trailers, you name it, it's all out there. So feel free to peruse, dig deep into the playlists. There's lots of stuff there that's hidden away. Videos from 2, even 3.5 years ago. So if you look hard enough, you'll find them, believe me. Okay, crew, well, it's a sincere Merry Christmas from Andy Mechanic to all the viewers. We've hit 44,000 subscribers at the moment, and it's only going up, which is great. And I think it's partly down to Lilli, to be honest. She's a great benefit to the channel, and it's fantastic to have her back.
It's so nice to be back.
I've been
Thank
waiting.
you for inviting me back.
Yeah, 11 months to get you back in the workshop, and I'm very, very pleased that you
Finally
are.
did it. The housework is house is bloody clean.
I bet it
After
is.
all that time.
Yes. Yeah, Lilli actually was going to do some videos for me. This is a bit of behind the scenes stuff now. Lilli was going to do some videos with short little sort of snippets of her doing housework, looking really sad and bored, smoking cigarettes and drinking vodka, as she always does anyway, missing being a tool girl. And unfortunately, because of her time constraints, she just didn't get around to doing it, unfortunately. It's just one of those things. I don't hold it against
Sorry,
her.
guys.
Not much. Anyway, you're in trouble now. All right. But hey, she's back now, and we're going to look forward to lots more videos together.
Yes,
really enjoy having
absolutely.
Lilli around. And you can tell by the videos that I have a lot more energy when I have Lilli in the workshop. So it's great for
That's the
me,
energy
great
of
for
the
you, and I know Lilli enjoys it too. And she's running
It's
on.
lots of fun, and I learn lots too.
She does. She does. And
actually-
the whole world gets to see you. This is Tool Girl Lilli. Hello, world.
Hello, world.
Good job. Okay, crew. Well, until next time, it's goodbye from me.
Goodbye from Tool Girl Lilli. Merry
Over and out.
Christmas.
Merry
I'm
Christmas.
going back to my workshop decorating.
Yeah, I reckon so. Just don't go mad, 'cause it is a man cave, you know? It's not a girl parlour thing. Anyway, you can press the stop button now, because I've done that all the time.
Bye.
And we get the job again.
Oh.
much.